WKYT state investigators say they have found violations at an Estill County landfill where naturally occurring radioactive waste was illegally dumped.
The state is also going after the company that they say delivered the radioactive waste to that landfill. Victor Puente has details in our top story at 5:30.
Kentucky's Department for Environmental Protections hasn't said yet what the penalties may be for these violations. County officials tell me they also plan to penalize that landfill as soon as they know just how much radioactive material was brought into the county. That notice of violation was sent to Blue Ridge Landfill yesterday. In it, the state alleges 4 different violations. They say the people in charge of the landfill were using inaccurate reporting, failed to characterize the release of the radioactive material into the environment, disposed of unpermitted waste, and failed to properly record the source and disposal location of that material. That paperwork says 47 loads came into the landfill. Estill County's judge executive says they're trying to narrow that number down so they know what county ordinances they violated.
Basically, that's around 1,200 to 1,300 tons. We want to know how many tons come in before we can impose the penalties upon them.
Wallace says a waste disposal company in West Liberty, Advanced T-Norm, is responsible for bringing that material to Estill County. Last Friday, the Cabinet for Health and Family Services issued a cease and desist letter to the company and its owner, Corey Hoskins. The address for Advanced T-Norm led us to this home, but no one answered the door. The Cabinet claims the company brought naturally occurring radioactive material from West Virginia to several Kentucky counties. The letter says the company could face fines of up to $100,000 for each time that happened, along with criminal penalties. A spokesperson for the Energy and Environment Cabinet told me that if there are criminal penalties connected to the violations at the landfill, they aren't sure yet which agency would be handling those. In Estill County, Victor Puente, WKYT.
Preliminary tests at that landfill showed no radiation in water near the landfill. Lawmakers will discuss some new legislation related to the disposal of radioactive waste tomorrow morning in Frankfort.